You've never eaten fish like this, a delicious recipe that melts in your mouth. For our recipe, we will need 1 piece of salmon. Cut this piece into 2 parts and then cut each piece in half. And with the knife, remove the salmon skin from all the pieces. For seasoning, add salt, black pepper, blending it well with your hands. In a frying pan on medium heat, add the pieces of our fish to fry. Tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. And when one side is already browned, turn it over to brown the other side. Now in a pan, add 1 liter of hot water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 200 grams of spaghetti, and let them cook for 7 minutes. In another pan, add 1 dash of olive oil, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, and saute these ingredients well. Now add 50 ml of white wine, 1 tablespoon of tomato extract, 1 chopped tomato, and stir to combine until it becomes a paste. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. So like the video and comment below, I love fish. To continue, add the pasta in the pan. And on top, add grated Parmesan cheese and a little bit of fine herbs. To finish, add our fish, plus a little bit of Parmesan cheese and a little bit of fine herbs. And our recipe is ready. Now all you have to do is enjoy. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.